This is a quick look at the Amazon Basics Espresso machine. Basically, in the pack you'll get pot filter, sieve, espresso cup, scoop with a tamper, and the machine itself. So now what we'll do is we'll fill the sieve up. It's got a max mark. And then tamp it down with the tamper. Make sure you can see the max mark. Still room for a little bit more in that. Okay. Be careful not to overfill it, because obviously you still need water in there. And then what you'll do is you'll see the little notch there. You have to line the little notch up with the notch there. And then basically insert it, lock it over, and you also get an espresso cup included. So place that below. And let's make some espresso. Looking good so far. It does pre-infuse it too, which is nice. And there we go. Lovely cup of espresso. The proof is in the tasting, as they say. Temperature, yeah, quite warm, not too bad. Drip tray. Very easy to clean. Yeah. Not a bad little espresso maker. Another final touch I quite like is basically it's got a little flipper there. It basically holds the sieve while you tap the used puck out to clean. That's quite a nice feature. But yeah, all in all, very impressed.
Guys, I just need this one, yeah? I get from you guys this machine, but I lost this one. If you can send me, please. Thank you.